I try to turn the car over, it doesn't make the sound. But when I come up here, the throttle body's trying to open, and then you can hear like the gas, like the fuel pump turn on and like start sending gas up here. So I know it's getting fuel, and I'm pretty sure it's not a mechanical problem. But the thing is that the thing isn't like the car isn't wanting to turn over. Like watch, I'm gonna put the thing right here so you can hear it. All right, put it right here. Now watch. And then let me bring y'all inside and look. All right, turn. That's one turn, two turn, and then look. And of course the engine light is on because the I have open headers. So, but see, okay, now this is what I thought too. Look, okay, I barely have any gas in here because I haven't started the car up over a whole year. And I don't know if I told y'all, but I tuned my own car, and because I was like running lean at first. So you know when you're running lean, you want to add more gas, right? So I added more fuel. So what I'm thinking is maybe it's just not enough gas in the car. Maybe it's not sending enough fuel pressure to actually kick the engine over or whatever. I don't know, but that's what it's doing. So. But the throttle body is literally trying to open whenever I try to start the car. But literally nothing over here is turned over. And ground wires are all on, and it's not sparking no more. If y'all, some of y'all followed me before, y'all seen that the engine was sparking and all that. Or the battery terminal was sparking, it's not doing it no more. And literally everything is plugged in. So I don't know. Look at all that. See? All plugged in. Computer, it's all plugged in, every last one of them. Even the old tinted, even the old two sensors, they're all plugged in, and I don't even fucking use them. But the only thing that's not plugged in is my headlights, because they have to be wired. If y'all know me, I don't fuck with wires, so.